my mom gave me this camera, and it is a film camera from, I don't know what year they made these, maybe like in the 70s or 80s, but she took photos of my sister and my sisters and me growing up all throughout the 90s, all throughout Manhattan, the city. We were like kid models, and she always had the camera, family moments, auditions and things like that. So there's a lot of memories that she captured with this camera. So it's not a big old expensive camera, but it's, to me, you can pass down things like houses, money, all these things that we strive for, for our kids. But in inheriting this camera means a lot to me, and I'm no photographer. Like, I'm just learning this stuff as I go, and I'm just getting out and shooting stuff. But what I realized that like we're on the go, we're always on the move, busy, and when we're out and about, like we like, there's a lot going on, but we don't really see much. And just getting out with this camera, it made me see a little bit more, and just kind of like just be in the moment. And like, I noticed a nice family, like, coming out of museums, taking photos of each other, a guy with his dog, just happy as they can be. Two news reporters just kind of doing their job, having fun. Stopped and had a conversation with them. And I just noticed a lot more, just by walking and observing and just being present, with this camera. So it's really beyond just a photo, beyond just taking pictures. It's more so just capturing the moment, because when we die, like, that's all we got is memories. Like, we don't have any more time left. If we're on our deathbed, we don't have more time. We just have memories. So so that's what this journey kind of means to me. And I hope that I could pass that along to my kid, and and my friends and family. And at least this is just like my documenting my journey and my existence here on Earth while I'm here. So I'm excited just to take it out and just see what kind of moments I could capture. So today, heading downtown Raleigh, see if I can get some good shots of the monks that are traveling from Texas to DC on a peace walk. Let's see what I can get.